Hi everyone, I am Priyanka from Crafts by Priyanka on behalf of Paper Rose Studio, and I want to share with you a quick video for this month's design team kit. For this month April, I have selected this Rustic Spring Basics 6x6 paper collection. Since Easter is around the corner and it's spring in most of the countries around the world, so here is the beautiful paper pack from this. They also designed 12 by 12 in the same, and they do have a sentiment sheet at the back of the 12 by 12 paper pack. So that's the floral frames. Look at these. The color combination, the palette is so serene and beautiful. The blues and greens, this is a rustic effect since the paper pack itself says rustic spring. And then we have some teacups and cupcakes with this beautiful floral arrangement. These are perfect for all the backgrounds here. Look at this beautiful X and then a yellow stripes. These beautiful patterns with florals and rustic wooden backgrounds are beautiful. Look at this one. So the back of this one was like this, and then we have these beautiful cats with the bow, and that's the back. And then the patterns repeat themselves. So we have 3 sheets of each design. So there are a total of 18 double-sided pattern papers. And then to coordinate this, I have got this embossed die cuts. These are already pre-cut for you. And then they have a beautiful glaze around this designs, and they can just easily pop out from the paper, and then you can use this nicely on your cards and scrapbooks, and they are just very easy and quick to make. Just layer them around with some die cuts and pattern papers and your cards is ready in no time. So I'm going to get you lots of inspirations from these beautiful papers and embossed die cuts. Now I will show you what else I have got in my kit. And this one is flower shop cut aparts. This one is 18 single-sided sheets with 6 different designs, and the quality is very good. It's thick cardstock and they don't need to layer too much, make a base or something. They are very good quality and beautiful patterns that can go with any kind of pattern papers. Doesn't have to be specifically from the same collection. It's so springy and girly and beautiful, as Mother's Day is also around the corner. So I think this is going to be a great buy for the Mother's Day cards or some gift boxes. So that's the patterns that comes in this beautiful flower shop cut aparts. Okay, and then I have got this beautiful textures 6x6 pattern paper. So this one here has all the wooden elements. So this one is dark brown, and then we have this planks and this grungy effect with blues and brick arrangement. Then this is like a denim color with browns. I love this. And then this rustic paper. The wooden backgrounds are just great for men's theme, as well as just to give some contrast with these cut aparts from the flower shop paper. I thought this will look really good, so that's why I just teamed them up together. So let's see how it's gonna look. And that's the things that I ordered for myself here, and just stay tuned for inspirations. Also, I have got this beautiful die. This is going to go really well with the flower shop cut aparts. So I will do some die cutting and show you some things on how to color these die cuts and make beautiful cards out of them. So if you want to buy any of these products, then just go in the description box below for my affiliate links. That will be really helpful for my channel to create good content for you. And so that doesn't really cost you anything extra. It's just I earn a little bit from those links. I will be grateful if you support my channel. And yeah, that's it. And just head on to Paper Rose website and look for these products, or just click below on the links that I provided in the description box. If you want to check out more products from my past months, just see my other videos on my channel, and just stay tuned for more inspirations from me. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.